Okay, Casey, welcome. Welcome to 88 Tuition today. We are doing some questions which is okay. This one perhaps because I have to continue with question 14 until question. There are two sums more. Two sums only before we start for the day. Okay, but this one there are two questions left to complete. Okay, Casey, don't be shy. And we are supposed to participate actively. Can we?
Are there only two students?
Yeah, today only two, Casey and
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
yeah. Hope more will join us so that we have fun together, lor.
Understood.
Okay, yeah. All right. Can you see my screen right now?
Yes, the
Yes.
4 bits, 5 stems, 5 bit, 4 stems.
Okay. 4 bit, 5 stem, 5 bit, 4 stem. Wow, the number looks so nice, eh? Okay. Oh, I think Casey line drop off.
Yes,
Never
she
mind.
dropped out
I think
again.
we better continue. Drop off the phone. Never mind. The line got cut off. So we just continue from where we start. I mean, we stopped last week lah. If not, then after that, we won't have
Okay.
enough time. Okay. Now, if Adam buys, if only, Adam buys 4 bits, okay, and 5 stems, it will cost so much. So this is the costing. If Adam buys 5 bits, 4 stems, it will be cheaper. Oh, cheaper leh. But that is not the exact price,
Yes.
right? So what is the exact price for buying the 5 bits and 4 stems? What must I do? Okay, Shiza,
Um.
can you help me with that? Anyway, you are only one here until Tracy comes in. So we just go ahead first. How to find the cost of 5 bits and four
5 bits and
stems?
4 stems. Wait, hold on, I do my own
And
thing.
correct. Yeah, use calculator lah, because this one is a paper.
Can I go take my calculator?
Oh, of course.
Okay,
Go
sorry.
go. Yeah, no worries. Cheap. Eh, hi Casey. Casey, your internet is unstable, is it? That's why your lines are dropped.
Yeah.
Mm, never mind. So whenever if you are dropped, right, that means the lines are cut off. You just pop in again, lah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Can you see what I'm writing here, Casey? Mm,
Yeah.
mm. Okay. All right. Let's go on. Okay. So just now we were talking. The scenarios are there are two. One, there's a scenario one, and there's a scenario two.
So we compare the two scenarios.
Yeah, we have to compare the two
Okay.
scenarios. Very good. Now the question is, do we have the actual cost for both scenarios or not? Do we or not? No,
For
right?
scenario
Okay.
1, we do have the actual cost. For scenario
Very
2 is the
good.
comparison.
Very good. The scenario 2 is without. So how am I going to look for scenario 2's pricing here? It was cheaper, but what is the actual price? Okay, we must find out what is that.
$63.10.
Mm, 80 cents. What must we do? It is cheaper, so we must quickly go and minus and get $63
And 10 cents.
10 cents. Yeah. Okay. I have a suggestion. If you look at 4554, what can you relate if you have a number sense? If you have number sense, they have a common 4, common 5, right? Okay. So for this method, what I want to use is to use symbols. What are the two symbols that we have? Bits, stems. Okay, so let's take a look at how I can interpret them with these two relating to this course, these two relating to the new course right here. Okay, so I'm going to do that in symbol. 4 bits and 5 stems that will give me $68.30. However, if of the reverse way, I have 5 bits, we have 4 stamps, and value was 63.10. Now we have to check back. Is that cheaper? Yes. Okay, because they say it's cheaper, so we must ensure that it's correct. Now, I want to have some number sense here. 4554, what I can do. Okay, who can suggest? Who wants to suggest? Come, I'll follow what you say. Okay, Casey, you want to give a try? How would you want to attempt this using symbols? Mm-hmm. Any idea? Oh, Casey, I think Casey's screen is frozen. Okay, never mind. We wait for her. All right. Meanwhile, Shita, we continue.
Yeah.
What do you want to do now?
Wait. I think it's no, 68 and $68.30 minus $63.10.
Why do you minus? Then?
Because you'll find out 1 stamp and -1 bits.
Oh, so you want to find a -1 bit, so not enough leh.
Yeah.
So not enough, what can we do? Then later we will have a problem. So there is a reason why we want to find this pricing. We have a new pricing already, right?
Okay.
So I want to make use of the new pricing. Okay, so maybe I suggest this. I want to add this together. Okay, since the 4 bits and 5 stamps, we have 5 bits and 4 stamps. I'm going to add these two together. Okay, can I say the total, is it 9 bits?
Yes.
And the other side also give me a 9 stamps. Do you see
then
this?
we divide by 9.
Hey, but the pricing how? Oh dear, this is 63 and then one is 68. So how? What shall we do to the pricing?
We add it together.
Add it together. Casey, if you hear me, you can also respond together. Don't be shy. Because sometimes your screen is frozen.
131 and 40 cents.
131. Very good. 131 and 40 cents. But mind you, we have to show the working. So let's take a look at this. Is step 1. We have this. Okay, then step 2. We must add them up. Okay, so I must show the steps. So I'm going to do this. Going to erase this portion and write neatly. Okay, so I want to do this. Okay, 1. We have $68.30. You get $63.10. Okay, and we add 68.30 with the new answer to get down to 131 and 40 cents, which is here, and that is for 9B and 9S. Now, since 9B and 9S, that means there must be 9 sets, right? So just now, you mentioned you want to divide by something. What do
Divide
you
by
divide?
9.
Divide by 9. What is the purpose of divide it by 9?
Because
Why?
there's 9 bits and 9 stamps.
Yeah. So you divide by 9 technically is because you wanted to look for what? What do you call that?
1 bit, 1 stamp, which is 1
Very
unit.
good. That is for 1 pair, which is 1 unit. And then you get 131.40 divided by 9.
I think it's supposed
So
to be
131.
1 bit plus 1 stamp, not 1 bit plus 1 stamp.
Yes, 1 bit plus 1 stamp. Wow, that's very good. I caught that. 1 bit and 1 stamp. I want to be neater. 1 stamp. We call them 1 pair. Okay, so 131.40 you divide by 9. Okay. Okay.
14,
Casey, are you with a calculator? 14 what?
14.6.
Casey, are you with a calculator? Casey, are you with a calculator? Casey? Okay, never mind. I got an idea. Let me type for her so she can read. Type for her. Oh, she goes off again. Okay, never mind. I will say Okay. All right. So we have one pair of B and one P of S now, which is $14.60. And that answer part one, right? So you can see that this is 3 steps. Okay, so this answer part A. So this is what I have. Okay, now part B, find the cost of one bid. Okay, so now I can remove the question mark and I fill in $14.60. So there, so this $14.60, gotten it. Okay, all right. The next question say he wanted, okay, let's change this. Okay, let's take a look at find the cost of one bid. Now I'm going to pull this information here, 1b plus 1s. Okay, I put it here, 1b plus 1s. That will give me $14.60, right? Now I can make use of something to work on. I can either pull the first scenario or I can pull the second scenario. It's okay, but I choose to pull down using scenario 1 of 4 bits and 5 stamps. Okay, because this is originally given to you at $68.30. Okay, so from here, if I compare the symbol, what I can do to the equation, to that one pair of bits and stamps and relate it to 4 bits and 5 stamps. What I do next? Any suggestion? Casey, if you are ready, do give us some inputs. Shiza, how about you?
Yep.
What is the next thing you think you want to do?
After that, we have to find the cost of one piece.
So you see, we have only one pair, but then the question given you was 4 bit and 5s. There is one s behind, irritating, right? How nice if you could have a 4 bit and 4s, right? Do you think 4 bit and 4s okay to proceed?
No.
Then how? What do you suggest?
Wait, I want to see if my I'm just checking. So
Do you want hints and clue? Okay, my hint and clue
at
was
first
this.
I was thinking 4 bit plus 5s minus 9 bit 9s.
9 and 9. Then it will be like something like
Then it'll be
5b
5b.
4s. Then you're still angry, right? Because they don't have 4b 4b. They don't have 5b 4b 4s. Then they also don't have 5b 5s. Something like
1b 1s times 4 minus
very good.
minus the minus
Yeah.
$63.10.
Very good. Because you have 1b, 1s. So you find 4b, 4s. That will give you the cost of whatever you want. And then you can get with the extra thingy, right? Okay. So $14. 4b, 4s. Okay. 4b, 4s will give you how much? $58. Something like that. You must use calculator to press. Make sure whatever we are sharing is this one. 4b 4s.
Oh wait, she like that again.
Never mind, she will pop in again.
Wait,
I'll
there's
text
only
Mr.
2 people. What about Mr. Bun?
Mr. Bun has left the group for now. Yeah, because he has some other class to go for. So left you and I. No worries, Casey. Later I will spend some time talking to her. It's okay. So now how oh dear, we are now it's like somebody how to say something is missing. So we have 4